Okay, first order today goes to Brittany. Shout out. We're gonna do it together. So this one's just a one bowl with an egg on it. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and just wash our hands first. Okay, so we're gonna need this, and this. So just a quick reminder, we do need, it's the full build now for our bowls. So they get the whole shebang pretty much. Meaning the full portion of pork, an actual egg, the veggies, the whole thing essentially. These are fatties, like chunky boys. Okay, let's get the bowl. Oh, it's good there now. And then the top. Too bad, so sad. Okay. So again, with the miso, half ladle. This is our soy sauce, sake mix. It's the actual miso. It's already salty. So, and then on my video before, someone was losing their brain when I put my finger on there, bro. Like, you need to understand, I wash my hands more frequently than you, but to make you happy, we'll do it this way, huh? This is my drama oil, essentially my burnt garlic oil. It goes in every bowl of food. It goes on every component of my food, pretty much. Okay. This is our chicken fat. Okay. Oh. This one always starts with broth. It's our tonkatsu. That's it. While we're here, we'll drop the noodles as well. Click the timer, 34 seconds, 35 seconds. We're okay with that. Make sure we fully mix it, and then we'll drop our pork. No, did it turn off? That's it. The flame turned off. It's okay. You know what we can do though? We can flame it on either way. Just saying, you need to, at some point, you need to be able to do all of the motions with both hands, just for in case like that. You can put that back now. Okay, since the other one, I think they forgot that it comes with an egg, so we're gonna give them a double egg on that one. That's it. Easy. Okay. 2 things of the egg. Full thing of the veggies. Scallions. furikake. And that's it. Shout out to Brittany M. Thank you for having the first order of the day. I appreciate you. Plus egg, miso. They don't want utensils, so we Gucci. So again, guys, if you're watching, remember the bowls, the original miso and a signature tonkatsu automatically comes with an egg, like the whole build already. You don't have to add an egg unless you want it, of course. Then I will be more than happy to give it to you. But that is all she wrote. Thanks.